Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A54 for Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new smartphone for Verizon Prepaid. It is now available for $499.99. It is currently not in stock as I'm recording this video here. So hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, the Galaxy A54 will be in stock for you guys to purchase if you guys are interested. So the Galaxy A54 is a brand new smartphone that recently got announced by Samsung, and now it's available on Verizon Prepaid. I'm sure it's also available on Verizon Postpaid service as well if you guys want to do the contract route, you know. So you guys will have a awesome graphite color option. It's $499.99 for 128 gigabytes of storage, so do keep that in mind. There is the phone right there. Very nice looking phone there in terms of like the front and whatnot. There it is in its entirety there on the front. You guys have your power button. The power button in your volume gets on the right side of the phone there. Whole punch for your front facing camera and a piece above that. Kind of reminds me of like the the recent Galaxy A series of phones, like the Galaxy A53, the Galaxy A52 kind of reminds me of that in terms of the way it looks from the front, because it has a hole punch, so it has like that recent Samsung design language in terms of like hole punch and stuff like that, so pretty cool. So that's the front there. Left side probably has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Left side has nothing. So your micro SD and SIM card slot are either on top or bottom of the phone. And you do have a bit of a camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. There's the back of it right there. Triple camera system, camera flash Samsung logo. It has like Galaxy A14 to A13 vibes in terms of like camera design and stuff like that. So pretty interesting there. There it is in the back there, triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo, power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone. There it is, right side, power button, volume keys. There's the right side of it again there, alright. The Galaxy A54 has up to 28.29 hours on 4G and up to 28.9 hours on 5G. You get 3 cameras in the back, like I just said. 50 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide with f2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture, and also a camera flash. Obviously, you guys will also get optical image stabilization, single take, portrait mode, night mode, fun mode camera, up to 370 hours of standby time, 3.1 inches in width, 6.22 inches in height there, alright. Meet the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, the smartphone full of incredible features that let awesome belong to everyone. Whether it's snapping pics with friends, finding that next delicious recipe, or playing games while waiting in line, Galaxy A series lets you do it all. View your favorite games, videos, and blogs on an incredibly smooth, super fluid display that loads at the speed of 5G. Take stunning selfies on the amazing front camera, plus Galaxy A series automatically syncs with the other Galaxy devices, helping keep your life organized every day, packed with all you need and more. Galaxy A series is here to place awesome right in your pocket. Pair the Galaxy A54 5G with Verizon, the network America relies on, alright? I wish they would make the text a bit bigger there, because I was having issues reading that. It says here, view more on the super fluid display. Enjoy binge watching your favorite series on the clear 6.4-inch screen that provides a smooth entertainment experience. Or scroll through social feeds and switch between apps with ease, catching all the details you need on your Galaxy A54 5G. Take photos like a pro. Brilliant sunsets, awesome selfies, unforgettable vacations. Everyone will be asking you to take the photos with the incredible camera of Galaxy A54 5G. Single take and optical image stabilization make snapping brilliantly clear and brilliantly clear images. A breeze and night photography keeps content bright and clear even in low light. Alright. Stay charged up. Always be ready for an impromptu photo shoot or watch that newly released viral video with a powerful battery that has your back. With long lasting, super fast charging, 5,000 mAh battery, Galaxy A54 5G keeps you up and running. Alright, so that's very nice. Do it all with the speed of 5G. Do what you love most: playing games, watching movies, or posting photos, all at the speed of life with Galaxy A54 5G. Our best Galaxy A series phone. Our best Galaxy A series powers your day with an impressive processor and super fast 5G. An all-new look with added durability. Take your day in stride with the stylish and strong Galaxy A54 5G. Redesign and redefine the A54 5G comes with a sleek triple lens design and front and back Gorilla Glass 5 that resists spills and dust. So that's very nice. Your privacy is a priority. Galaxy A series helps protect your data with multi-layer Knox security. Also with private share, you can set time limits and expiration dates on all shared files. Revoke access at any time and ensure that the intended recipient is the only one who can open your files, and make sure they cannot send or screenshot your stuff. So that's a great feature. So that's an awesome feature. Every phone should have that. Bring it all. Carry less. Carry your essential conveniently and securely in your phone with Samsung Wallet. That's basically what Samsung Pay is now. It's Samsung Wallet now, which gives you easy access to payment cards, digital keys, crypto, and more. Plus, find additional savings at top merchants in the Perks tab and earn interest on your bank balances with the Samsung Money account. So that is pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. So take advantage of that if you guys are interested. Share even more memories with expandable storage. Make every moment your favorite memory with Galaxy A54 5G with expandable storage. Make every moment your favorite memory with Galaxy A54 5G. With the expandable storage up to 1 terabyte, you no longer have to choose which files to save and which to delete. So that's very nice. Specs: it has 28.29 hours of usage time on 4G and 20.9 hours usage time on 5G. Digital side ratings: 5,000 mAh battery. It is an awesome graphite color, so it's like a black color, very nice looking phone. Your Wi-Fi connections are there, 211 ABGN, ACAX, Wi-Fi 6, dual-band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6 support. It has glass back cover, metallic frame. It has Gorilla Glass 5 on front and back, so that's very good. You do get 4G on here, but you also get 5G as well. Your height 6.22 inches, global roaming network screen 6.4 inches, Full HD plus, AMOLED, Gorilla Glass 5 on front and back, like I just mentioned. Exynos 1380 octa-core processor, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM, 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro lens on the rear, 120Hz refresh rate. Camera mode is optical image stabilization, single take, portrait mode, night mode, fun mode. 370 hours of standby time. Switch access. I'm not sure what that is. Hearing aid support, live caption, live translate, real-time text, song amplifier, sound notification. So if you guys need accessibility settings, there you go. You do get 5G nationwide. The width of the Galaxy A54, 3.1 inches. Front camera, 32 megapixel. Front camera with f2.2 aperture. This your hand compatibilities there. Visuals, if you guys need like any visual assistance there, you have magnification, text and display, talk back, and select to speak. And of course you get 5G ultra wideband as well. So that's pretty cool. Bluetooth 5.3. You don't get wireless charging on here, so if you guys are looking for wireless charging, this is not the phone for you. The depth of the Galaxy A54 is 0.32 inches. Hotspot up to 10 devices. Fast charging, yes. 4K video. You get the main camera and the front camera records in 4K videos, which is very nice. Type-C charging port is pretty much standard now. You get Bixby and Google Assistant, of course. There is no power share feature on here, so if you guys want power share, this is not the phone for you. You get fingerprint and facial recognition. I think you get an in-display fingerprint sensor. I'm pretty sure that you do. You do get expandable memory. I don't know why it says no on the spec sheet here, but you do get expandable memory up to 1 terabyte. Has Android 13 with One UI 5.1. World device aspect ratio 20:9 for the screen. So very nice looking specs there. Very, pretty good specs for what it is. This is like a high-end budget mid-range smartphone here. So it's $500. So for $500, you're getting in a pretty good deal in my personal opinion. Great specs, great features for what it is, and very nice. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A54, if you need help with your Galaxy A54, Verizon can help you out with that as well. It says Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in your box is Galaxy A54 5G, Type-C to Type-C data cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions. There is no charging brick in the box. You guys will have to get a Type-C charging brick. Alright, so keep that in mind. There is no charging brick in the box. You guys will have to provide your own charging brick if you guys don't have one. So do keep that in mind, alright? So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It is currently out of stock right now as I'm recording this video. It's $499.99. The contracts, of course, on Verizon Prepaid. I'm pretty sure that you can probably get it on Verizon Prepaid as well. I don't see why not. If you guys want to do the free financing thing every month, you guys can have that option. For $500, you're getting a great deal here. 128 gigabytes of storage is pretty good, pretty decent, Very nice looking phone. It has like Galaxy A13, A14 vibes with it in terms of rear camera layout and whatnot. Very nice looking phone nonetheless. Great features and great specs for what it is. I think it's worth checking out if you guys are interested. And yeah. So for $500, you really can't go wrong. There you guys go. Nice looking phone, and it's worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.